Right, so a small bird trap or a partridge trap. You could scale this up bigger, but you'd probably have to use something different than a slice of log for the top. So you've got a stick at the back, a piece of string comes down to a stick here, and then we just put another stick in the bottom. So you can see how it's set up now. Stick at the back, string down to this stick, and then this stick is just propping that one back there and being held at the other end. You put bait inside. Now most birds will instinctively jump on a perch, so they'll jump on that, down it comes. Now a lot of people might say, oh, an animal will dig out of that. Yeah, most animals would, but a bird won't be able to dig out of this. So that's why you've got to intend it for birds, not for things like squirrels or rabbits. Unless you somehow line the hole with rocks or something, you only want to use this for birds. I've got other videos on YouTube of a pheasant pit trap just like this, but using an Arapuca style trigger, and I caught a pheasant and it shows on the video, and the pheasant can't get out. They can't dig like other animals.